Hello everyone, there is a good news. All of a sudden, Karnataka TET 2023 notification has been released in the website of schooleducation.karnataka.nic.in. I will give the link in the description below this video. You can click the link and you can reach to this website. So quickly let us see what is there. So there is a online application for Karnataka TET 2023. There is a Prakatane. In Prakatane, what is written? You can see here. So today's date is there, 13/7/2023, and they are telling that 20-23 ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಅರ್ಹತಾ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ TET 2023 ಸಂಬಂಧ ಶಾಲಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ www.schooleducation.karnataka.nic.in ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಹ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಂದ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಅರ್ಜಿಗಳನ್ನು ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸಿದೆ. So they are inviting the online application for Karnataka TET 2023. Okay, and they are telling that aspirants can pay online with the application from tomorrow. That means you can apply online from tomorrow, that is 14th July 2023, and the last date to apply is August 5th 2023. Okay, so this is what is there in the Prakatane. Next, what is written? ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಅರ್ಹತಾ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲು ಇಚ್ಛಿಸುವ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗಳು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಡಲಾದ ಸೂಚನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕೂಲಂಕುಷವಾಗಿ ಓದಿ ಅರ್ಥೈಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದರಂತೆ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅರ್ಜಿಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿದೆ. So they are telling that all things what all we need to apply are written in the website, like for example how to make the online application, that is also written, and a clear notification is also given. So all this you can find in this website called www.schooleducation.karnataka.nic.in. Okay, so the link I will give in the description. Don't worry, just click the link and you can reach it here. Anyway, you have time till August 5th. But because the news has come suddenly, we all are excited. That's why I'm sharing this news with you as soon as possible. Okay. Next, after Prakatane, what is there here? Next is a notification. If you click notification, you will get this 14-page document. So what is written here? Pariksha Dinanka is written. Examination date. It is September 3rd, 2023, and it is going to be Sunday. Okay. September 3rd, 2023 is the examination date for Karnataka TET 2023. Then rest things are all there here. You can just read them out. I will give you this PDF document in my Telegram channel. You can download this document from the Telegram channel, or if you want, you can download it from the website also directly. I will give you the link, right? Okay. Then if I quickly scroll down this, this is a 14-page thing. What is written here? How to do this online application, that is written. Online arji sallisalu anusarisabekada krama. They have written the order. Okay, you can just read it out. It's all very simple things are there. Then here this pariksha shulka vivara is there. That means examination fees is written here. For general category and 2A, 2B, 3A and 3B, ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ 1 ಅಥವಾ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ 2 ಮಾತ್ರ. Means if you are writing only paper 1 or paper 2, then you have to pay 700 rupees. If you are writing paper 1 and paper 2 together, then you can pay 1000 rupees. Okay, and for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe aspirants, I think for them, for patrika 1 or patrika 2, means for paper 1 or paper 2, you have to pay 350 rupees. And if you are writing both paper 1 and paper 2, then you have to pay 500 rupees only. Okay, so ವಿಶೇಷ ಅಗತ್ಯತೆಯುಳ್ಳ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪರೀಕ್ಷಾ ಶುಲ್ಕದಿಂದ ವಿನಾಯಿತಿ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. Means for specially abled people, there is no fees at all. And you can do bank transaction also. Okay, so that also they have mentioned. Then they are telling about hall ticket. Pravesha Patra. That is on August 23rd they will release, they are telling. Okay, in this website only. And then they have written this eligibility things are written that we can read it out later also. But right now what is very important for us is I will go in the last to understand the dates. These are the dates. This is important for us right now. Okay, rest things we can see carefully later also, right? So Karnataka TET 2023 for this online arji is from July 14th and you can apply till 5th August and then you can download the hall ticket from 23rd August and exam will be there on September 3rd. Okay, even timings also they have given for paper 1 and paper 2. Okay, this is one thing. And another thing which they have given in this website after Prakatane notification, next is instructions to fill the Karnataka TET 2023 online application. There is one PDF file. You can follow this PDF file for instructions. Okay, you can read this out and you can apply for Karnataka TET. Okay, I'll give this also in this Telegram channel. You can download it. Next link is to apply application for Karnataka TET 2023. They have given this website. You can do online application through this website. Okay, so for today, just for instance, I am making this video just to share this immediate all of a sudden news with all of you. Rest, of course, I am there with you all till your examination of Karnataka TET 2023. I will try to help in all manner. Anyway, my course is also ready for paper 2. So the link of that course also I will be giving below this description. You can click the link and you can get more details about that course also, which is specifically made for Karnataka TET only. Okay, and rest whatever doubts you have, please do write down in the comment section. I will try to clear all your doubts one by one. Okay, I'll try to make video on each of your major doubts. If the doubt is very simple, I will explain you there and then in the comment section. If it is requiring some explanation, then of course I will make a video for it. Anything regarding applying Karnataka TET or syllabus or whatever is your need, please do write in the comment section. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join the Telegram group. Okay friends, thank you. All the best. Bye.